In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat is unable to open the camera. So the first thing you have to do here is just make sure that Snapchat is updated to the latest version. So go to App Store or Play Store if you're an Android, and then search for Snapchat. And then make sure that it doesn't say open here, it says update. And if it says update, just click on it. And the other thing you can do here is just click on settings and then scroll down and click on general, iPhone storage. Scroll up until you see the search bar, click on it, and then click on Snapchat. And then you can click on offload app. If you're on Android, it will say clear cache, but this is essentially the same thing. Click on offload app and then wait for it. And then it's gonna say reinstall app, just reinstall it to continue this process. And once it's done, you can now exit out of here, and now you can open up Snapchat and the camera should be able to work. One last thing, if it's still not working, you can go to settings and then go to general, or don't go to general, go all the way down until you see apps, click on apps, and then over here search for Snapchat. So it should be in this list right here. Just find Snapchat and then make sure camera is allowed here. So make sure the option for camera is turned on. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.